Hey everyone, Steve from Resale Dojo back, and today I'm going over a category of video games that are pretty ignored at the thrift stores around me, so I want to make sure that you're paying attention to them and making that money off of them. And before we get started today, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already and smash that thumbs up for me. Alright, the category we're going over today is PC video games. This is one category that I feel is very ignored, especially in the video game space around me. I'm constantly being able to pick up games that a lot of resellers are just like passing over because they don't want to deal with the hassle with it, or they don't know about it, and they're really only focused on the console games that are coming out because those are the ones that they know about and are just more popular, or at least perceived to be popular with the public. Now, all games that I'm showing you guys today, I've sold multiple copies of, and some of them I've sold dozens of times. These are ones that have great sell-through rates. In fact, there's only one game on this list that has an under 100% sell-through rate over the last 90 days. So my notebook here, I have notes of all the games that I have on the list today. I'm going to be going over the titles, the sell-through rates, and what you should be able to sell it on eBay. Now, one thing to keep in mind, all prices I'm quoting here are for eBay, and it is free first-class shipping included in these prices. So just make sure you're paying attention to that, as you may have a different pricing strategy than I do. All right, I'm going to start with some lower items first. The first one I'm going to go over is Diablo 2. The sell-through rate on this is 198%, and you should be able to sell this for $15 free shipping. Another one you want to look out for is an expansion pack to Diablo 2, Lord of Destruction. This one has a sell-through rate of 348% and goes for about $15 to $18. This game I will typically sell within like 3 days of listing it. A lot of PC games, especially around here, I can find for $1 to $2, especially the Diablo 2 games, because they look like a CD case. And so a lot of times you're going to get CD pricing when it comes to that product. So make sure you keep an eye out for those two items, because a lot of times you'll find them in a cheaper section than the other video games as well. The next bundle of games I'm going to be recommending to you guys are expansion pack games for Sims 2. Now, the ones I'm highlighting, there are going to be 3 of them today, are ones that I sell the most frequently out there. They're not the only ones that are out there, but these are the ones that are typically going to have the highest selling price and also the best sell-through rate for you. If you do find other ones out there, always just scan them, see how they're doing. A lot of them you could still sell alone, but they may be better to sell as a bundle. The first one is Sims 2 Double Deluxe. The sell-through rate is 117%, and you should be able to get $18 for that. Next one is Sims 2 Apartment Life. It has a 323% sell-through rate, and it should also go for $18. And the last one is Sims 2 Free Time. It has a 141% sell-through rate, and it should sell for $18 as well. So all 3 of them that I just highlighted for you guys will sell for around $18 at the current market prices, but always make sure you're checking those when you're finding them, because, you know, prices fluctuate up and down depending on season, depending on if a stimulus check came through, depending on if taxes just came, like refunds came out for people. So always just pay attention to the market price. But these are generally the prices I'm getting pretty constantly for these items over the last probably like year or so. Another Sims game that I want to highlight is Sims Complete Collection. Now, this one I actually just sold recently for $40, and it has a sell-through rate of 239%. So if you find this game, it's going to sell pretty quickly for you. I think mine sold within 48 hours of listing it. And this one I'll typically find for like $2 to maybe $5 at the stores. Just depends on who's pricing it and what they think it is. Now, since that one has a 239% sell-through rate, you're going to be able to price this one higher up on the spectrum of pricing that's out there in the market, because people are going to want it and the demand's going to dry up. So at a 239% sell-through rate, you should be able to demand a pretty high price on that constantly. The next batch of games I want to highlight are Flight Simulator X games. And the first one, the Deluxe Edition, is the one that has the lowest sell-through rate. It has an 84% sell-through rate, but you should still be able to sell this one for $20 to $25. And the other one, which sells even better, is the Gold Edition. It has a 153% sell-through rate, and you should be able to sell that one for $30. Another series I'm going to highlight today are the Need for Speed games. Now, I'm only going to highlight 2 of them today, but there are a bunch of them out there, so make sure you're paying attention to them if you see them and always scanning them. The first one is Need for Speed Most Wanted. It has a 198% sell-through rate, and it also sells for $30 currently. Another Need for Speed game is Carbon, and it's the collector's edition. And this one has a 204% sell-through rate, and it's also selling for $45. So for those two games, make sure you're racing over to your thrift store and picking them up. You saw what I did there, right? You saw what I did. Racing on over there. Yeah. Dad jokes. One sports game I want to highlight is Madden 08. It has a sell-through rate of 231%, and you should be able to sell it for $40 to $50. This one I actually just sold not too long ago, and when I picked it up and I brought it to the cashier, the one guy thought it was like a video cassette. I'm like, no, that's a PC game. So as you can tell, they don't even know what they're selling sometimes, so look for them. Another series I want to highlight is the Age of Empires series, and the one that I'm going over today is Age of Empires 3, the complete collection. And this one has a sell-through rate of 119% and is currently going for $18. Now this one goes up and down. Like sometimes I could sell this one for like $22 to $25, but right now the market price seems like it's around $18. So just keep an eye out for it, because this one will sometimes go up in price, but it is a pretty common one for me to find. Another game I want to highlight, especially since I'm wearing my Star Wars t-shirt today, is Star Wars Galaxies Empire Divided. It has a sell-through rate of 254%, and it goes for $50 currently. So it comes in a double-decker jewel case, right? It's going to be looking like one of those double albums that you're finding in the CD section. And a lot of times you're going to find this one in the CD section as well, so keep an eye out for it. Another series of games I want to highlight are the Zoo Tycoon games. Now, Zoo Tycoon 2 Ultimate Collection has a sell-through rate of 239%, and it's going for $35 to $40 at this current time. For all Zoo Tycoon games, you're going to want to make sure you're finding the ones that are more like the collections and not just the singular games when it comes to it, because the collections have some expansion packs in it, and that's where you're going to be making some money. Another Zoo Tycoon game, Zoo Tycoon Complete Collection, has a sell-through rate of 349% and is currently going for $50 to $60 as well. So make sure to keep an eye out for these Zoo Tycoons because it's going bananas. The last batch of PC games I'm going over with you guys are the Lord of the Rings Middle-earth 2 games. Now the base game for this series has a sell-through rate of 228% and it's currently going for $50. But the game you want to pay attention to is an expansion pack for it. It is The Rise of the Witch King. It has a sell-through rate of 633% because 19 have sold and there are only 3 listed right now. And I just sold one, which is the one that we're showing right now, for $99 just this week. There's definitely some magic in these Lord of the Ring games. You guys hate me now, don't you? Alright, now that is my list of the top PC games that you guys should be looking out for, especially if you're hitting up thrift stores, estate sales, garage sales. These are going to be the ones you're most commonly going to find. Now, there are going to be a ton of other PC games for you guys to resell, but these are going to be the most common ones that you can find, at least the ones that I have found the most over the last couple of years. And so I wanted to put this out there for you guys to make sure you're not passing them up as well. Now, if you like reselling videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. I put about 2 to 3 of these out a week. Also hit the thumbs up to let me know that you like these type of videos, and I'll make sure I'm putting out more of them as well. And lastly, down in the comments, put any other PC games that you have flipped so we can make this list even better. And thank you guys once again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.